Hey guys, today let's learn how to see your comments on YouTube. So if you guys would like to go ahead and view your comments on YouTube, this is going to be pretty easy. All we need to go ahead and do is to go on over your Google account. So from here, I want you to tap on your YouTube application. And once you're already on your YouTube application, let's tap on our U tabs. And then I want you to tap on over here on Google account. So just tap on Google account. You will see all of your Google accounts and your settings for your Google account right here. Now, if you want to go ahead and view your YouTube history, just go ahead and tap on data and privacy, and you will basically, I will have you guys to scroll down. Now tap on your YouTube history right here, and then you will see, of course, all of your YouTube history right here. I want you to tap on manage history now, and I want you to tap on interactions. Now, as you would see, here you have video interactions. Just tap on comments and replies, and you are going to see all of your comments on different videos that you have commented on right here. And essentially, that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.